when using a multiple page template. The navigation menu for your site will be automatically provided with the template that you choose. This menu easily guides people through your content and is essentially the backbone of your site. We have made it very easy to update and edit your pages to automatically sync with your navigation menu. Let's see how this works. Start by clicking the Pages tab on the left menu bar. This will take you to the outline of your site's navigation menu and clearly show the current page order. From here, you can easily change the order of your pages by hovering over one in the left menu bar and clicking, dragging, and dropping the page wherever you would like. If you are not happy with the order, simply click, drag, and drop it back. No harm done. There are 3 editing icons located beside each page. You click the eye icon if you want to hide a page from your navigation menu. You click the crayon icon if you want to edit a page. And you click the X icon if you want to delete a page. Let's go back to the crayon icon and chat more about editing a page. As you can see, you can simply change the name of your page by typing in the Menu Name tab, and it will automatically update in your navigation menu. Also, if you choose, you can correspondingly update your URL name by typing in the Page Link tab. There are more advanced editing options below, including keywords for SEO, password protection, and hiding pages from search engines. You can also delete a page through this advanced tab by just clicking on the Delete button. Pretty easy, right? Now let's go ahead and save these new settings and go back to the left menu bar where we will chat through adding pages. Simply click the Add Page button and you will be taken back to a screen that looks identical to the editing section that we just reviewed. Let's name your page New Page, add the corresponding link, and click to save settings. Now when you go back to the left menu bar, you will see that your new page has automatically been added to your navigation menu. But what if you want this new page to be a sub-page, not one of the title pages located on your navigation menu? Well, you will simply click, drag, and drop this new page to the right under a title page that exists. Now you can click on the new page and design it as you wish by adding focuses and/or module components. Sub-pages help you better organize your site to keep your navigation simple. We highly recommend using them for complex sites. There is also an option to duplicate a page to make things easy. All you need to do is click on the page that you want to duplicate, then click the Duplicate Page button. Rename and edit as you wish, save settings, and voila! Page duplicated. Again, you can then move it around as you wish within the left menu as a new title page or sub-page. One last option that you will see on the Pages tab is to add an external page. This is when you want your page to link to an outside, external site. For example, you may have a blog that you want your site to link to, so you would click the External Page button, enter a name or title, and enter the link. It's as simple as that. If you would like to learn more about how to edit your site's navigation when using a single-page template, reference the how-to video about using our focus feature with single-page templates.